My video will provide you with help to remove the ransomware called Rival. My video though is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting it. I got this sample on the VirusTotal database, which is controlled by Google. The point is that this ransomware acts in a very aggressive manner. It encrypts files and damages them. So it's impossible to use the files anymore. This ransomware encrypts the files and appends this rival extension to the file names. It also reveals this ransom note in English, which indicates that the ransom needs to be paid for file restoration. Of course, you should not pay the ransom. This does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you will most likely waste your money, so do not waste your money and don't pay the ransom. Now, to remove this ransomware, I recommend you to use a reliable antivirus software. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. You will need to use your Internet Explorer browser to download it because other browsers may also be damaged by this ransomware. Therefore, through your Internet Explorer browser, go to the page combocleaner.com, download the application, install it, and then start researching your computer. Combo Cleaner, by the way, will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on Start Scan button, and in your case, the software will first of all most likely update its anti-malware database. And this is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. Then the scanning will begin, and let me emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt the files. It helps to remove this ransomware, it helps to protect the data, but it does not decrypt the data. And there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt these files. Now, please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. As I said, it removes the ransomware and it protects the files, but it does not decrypt the data. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found by Combo Cleaner on your computer. Definitely some threats can be removed manually, but I do recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license, which will help you to remove this ransomware more effectively. And you can request a free trial, by the way. So, speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to protect your data.